Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a mask. For mask we need one old t-shirt, one scale, any pencil. Now I took white pencil because I am having black t-shirt. That's why I need white pencil. You can take any pen, pencil, anything. Now we have to keep it like this way. Okay. After keeping this, now this closed side is there from both sides, and here the open side is there. Now from the closed side, approximately 1 centimeter cloth we will fold it like this way, and you have to turn it. The second side also same, we have to fold it. Now we are going to mark it on the both side, but it should be equal. That's why we are going to use scale. First in center on the cloth side, half centimeter marking we are going to make it. This one, 1 little bit gap you have to keep, then 2, 3, then this side again, 1 and 2. Total we are having on one side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 marks, and this side also 5. We are going to cut this line, means we are going to slit it. Slit means only this, not fully we are going to cut it, only slits. Only now we fold this 1 centimeter already we fold, so half centimeter we are going to give the slits. So what we have to do it, only half centimeter we have to hold it like this, and only the white marking pencil line we are going to cut it. Same on other side. While cutting, be careful. Yes. We already cut it like this. So here we can see the cuts. Here we can see the cuts like this. Now your mask is ready, but elastic we have to make it. For elastic we need this second sleeve. So what we are going to make it, here straight line we are going to cut it first, 2 like this. Now we are having 2 things here. Now this one is stretchable, but do not pull it so much, otherwise it will break. So what we have to do, where is the joint, there we are going to cut it, make it long. Like this. And here we are having mask. In mask the slits are there, you can see here. In this slit we are going to put this point from 1, take out like this way. In second you put it again, from third take out. Alternate you have to do it. Like this way. Same we are going to do from the other side. slowly do it. Now we will get it like this. Now these 2 points we are having here, as per your ear size, the gap between mask and ear, in ear we are going to stuck it. So as per the size we have to tie the knot like this way. One and this side. Like this.
Wear it.
Now this knot is not looking good. That's why we will hide this knot. That's why we have to little bit pull this and knot will go inside this like this way. Now here it is looking plain. Same here. It should go inside this. You can adjust it like this. Now whenever we are going to wear the mask, this sleeve side, this will be the upper side and this will be the chin side, down side. That's why this curve is there. Okay, like this. This will be top, this will be bottom, like this. Now here is the plain side and the back side, the smaller side, and this side is there. This will come inside and this will be the outer side. So we are going to wear it now. This will come like this. You hold it, put it on your nose like this, cover your nose, mouth, and stuck it in your ears like this way. And if you want little bit tight, if you think here the gap is there, then you can pull it little bit. Tie the knot as per the size like this way. You can pull it, automatically it will shrink. Like this. Your mask is ready. Please try it and wear it. Thank you.